Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to register GST in Amazon Seller Central. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Amazon Seller Central right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an Amazon Seller account, what you can do is sign up for one. Once you have gotten your account, you can log in normally. And once you're logged into your Amazon Seller account, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page and the main dashboard from where we can get started managing all our settings, such as our catalog, we have our inventory settings, our orders, and so on. All of that manageable right here. So how do we get started managing our GST taxes for our Amazon seller? Basically, here we have an article showing us how the goods and services tax works. This is only in India. So if you're in India and a seller in India, you're going to have to manage the GST taxes. If you're not from India, then these taxes do not apply to you and you probably don't have them in your state. Basically, here you have an article showing us how much the taxes are and what all those taxes are. So basically, what you can do is find an article like this one right here on sell.amazon.in, where you can download a file that it contains the calculator that's going to enable you to calculate your GST taxes. You can go and find all your taxes and info from the report section right here. So here is the report section in your dashboard from where you can get started finding all the info that you need for your taxes to use them and calculate your taxes. So with this, you'll be able to file them out and send them when using your Amazon seller account so that you can calculate and pay everything you need. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.